How do I tell what version and edition of Windows is on the file system? I am attempting to recover an old computer that won't boot and I'm not sure what version of Windows it is running. How do I tell? Simply by examining the file system. I am fairly confident it is either Vista or Windows 7. There is a small chance it is Windows Server 2008.
Your best bet is going to be finding the properties of a Windows executable, such as Explorer.exe. In my case its file and product version is 6.1.7601.17567. 6.0.4x.xxxxx will denote Windows Vista, with 6000, 6001 and 6002 being RTM, SB1 and SB2 respectively. 6.1.4x.xxxxx will denote Windows 7, with 7600 and 7601 being RTM and SP1. The same version numbers will apply for Windows Server as well, so I'm not sure how you'd tell the difference with those using this method.
Look at the file. C:\Windows\system32\license.rtf can be found for all these Windows operating systems. Vista, W7, W8, W8.1. These license RTF will have the version of Windows and the edition also, Windows 7 Pro for example. Windows 10 has the RTF file but does not show edition, but if it has the arbitration clause note at the top you know it is W10, or use the Explorer trick in Matthew Steeple's answer. To find the Windows 10 product type, Home Pro etc., type C. Moif Murphy's answer further down this page.
For Windows 10 one can use WordPad.x, Notepad.x on Windows OS for analyzing. C:\program data /Microsoft /diagnosis /over.txt. On Unix systems a console command like cat and lt, Windows system root partition and gt:\program data /Microsoft /diagnosis /over.txt shows version number. Example for OS build number 10.0.18362, without .116, .267 at 2019-07-26.
If you don't have a running Windows and want to find the information from a Linux machine, you can use HiveXJ to read the registry file on the disk. For Debian-based systems, install it with sudo apt install libavexbin. Example, with grep to make the output shorter. You may have to adapt the case of the path and file name. For example, the registry file could be software instead of software, etc. Remove the egrep ... part to see all values under that key.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.